Happy birthday, America. Go ahead and pick yourself a present. Hi, I'm American Cars and Racing Executive Editor Gary Gastelum, and we are in Fox Square outside of Fox News Channel, where we just announced our 2024 US-built Car of the Year Awards, which celebrate our favorite new 2024 model year vehicles that are assembled in the United States. Like our Car of the Year, the Acura Integra Type S. Not everybody realizes it, but every car Acura sells in the United States is made in the United States, and this one comes from Ohio. It's a $53,000 performance version of the Integra with a 320 horsepower turbocharged engine, and it's only available with a 6-speed manual transmission. Not because that makes it more efficient or faster, but because it makes it more fun. Our truck of the year is also fun. It is the Ranger Raptor that hails from Michigan. The entire Ranger lineup is new for 2024, but this top of the line model is our favorite. It's a 405 horsepower turbocharged V6, a special off-road suspension featuring Fox shocks, designed for high-speed off-roading and jumping through the air. Our SUV of the year is a little more down to earth, even if its headlights look like Space Invaders. It's the Hyundai Santa Fe, which has been fully redesigned with distinctive styling and a roomy interior that could fit 6-footers in all 3 rows. It's also packed with features, including a compartment that uses UV lighting to sanitize devices like smartphones, and has a very premium interior that almost rivals luxury cars. Like our luxury vehicle of the year, the Lucid Air Pure rear-wheel drive. This all-electric sedan combines elegant, retro-futuristic styling with a roomy interior and 419 miles of range between charges. That's because it gets the equivalent of 137 miles per gallon, but has a 430 horsepower motor and can accelerate to 60 miles an hour in 4.3 seconds, which isn't quite as quick as our sports car of the year, the Chevrolet Corvette E-Rev. It's the first hybrid Corvette, and it combines a V8 engine driving the rear wheels with an electric motor up front to deliver a combined 655 horsepower. That can accelerate it to 60 miles an hour in 2.5 seconds, making it the quickest General Motors vehicle ever. At least for now, that might not be the case in 2025 when the new Chevrolet Corvette ZR1 comes out. We don't know how powerful or how quick that's going to be, but we're going to find out soon. And when we do, we will let you know. So head on over to AmericanCarsAndRacing.com every day to stay up on the latest automotive and racing news.